Hey y'all, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new paper airplane that I just designed. Check it out. It's called the Easter egg paper airplane. And it's got an Easter egg on it. And it flies pretty good too. Check it out. So, you just hold it like this, and then you just fly it like that. Ooh yeah. It's not really the best flying plane, but it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Alright, I know you guys want to learn it, so let's get to it. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a sheet of Astrobrite printer paper, and this is 8.5 by 11 inches. Alright, so the first step is we're going to keep it landscape like this, and we're going to fold in half. Okay, unfold. Now we're going to rotate it like this so the crease is vertical. And we're going to take this short edge and fold it to the long edge. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to take that same edge and we're going to fold it to this edge now. Okay, and keep that nice and sharp. Alright, now we're going to turn over and we're going to fold this edge so that these two corners align with these 2 points right here. So where these two diagonal creases hit the edges, so those 2 points. Okay, unfold. Now we're going to turn over and we're going to poke that center point in and we're going to make a water bomb base like this. So that's what it looks like. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over like this, and we're going to take this corner and fold it to the top. Okay, and fold it back like this. And now fold this flap over and take this corner and bring it to the top. And close it like that. So this diamond, that's going to be the Easter egg. So let's work on the Easter egg. So fold this over, and maybe I should zoom in. And we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to bring it to that point right there. And you could fold all the way across, but I just like to make a crease mark. We're going to use the water bomb technique. Okay, so that just marks the middle. If you fold it all the way across, it's okay. Rotate like this. And now take this corner and we're going to fold it to that crease mark. Okay. And with thick folds, I like to use a bone folder. I just got this from Walmart the other day. And this really helps with stiff folds. Okay. See? And that really makes it stay down like that. Alright. And now take that corner and fold it to that point. And I just like to leave a little gap in between, because it makes it a little bit cleaner that way for the next fold. Okay, now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Unfold, and now open the pocket and stick the flap inside. Like that. And then fold it back. Alright. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So fold this over and we're going to mark the middle. So drag this corner down to here and just make a crease mark right there. Okay, and now fold this corner to the crease mark. Helps to do it on the table and not in there. Okay, and I'm going to take my bone folder and really make that sharp so it'll stay down. There we go. Okay, and now take this corner and fold it to that point. And I'm not folding it directly to the point, I'm leaving a small gap, about 2 millimeters. Okay, and then fold this corner down like this over the, well, taking this edge and folding it to there. But yeah, I was gonna say we're folding it over that edge. Okay, and now open the pocket and stick the flap in there. And then fold it back like this. Okay, and the Easter egg is actually almost done, we just need to round it. So, if you want a hexagonal Easter egg, then I guess the Easter egg part is done on your plane, and you can skip ahead. But I'm sure you don't want to do that though, so we're gonna round it off, and that'll make it look like an Easter egg. So it's actually really easy. All you have to do is just fold these 4 corners in to taste, and this is quite thick. Like if you're using Astrobrite's printer paper or whatever, this is pretty thick. And I'm gonna use, if you have one of these bone folders, this will help. So what we're gonna do is we're going to fold like this, and just fold these corners in to taste. I'm gonna start with this bulky one here. See? So just fold it in just a little bit. It doesn't matter how much. We're just rounding it. And it's thick. And to really make it stay down, I'm going to use my bone folder and just press it like this. Alright? And that'll really make it stay down. So just flatten it out. There we go. And that makes it stay down. Alright, and we're gonna do the same thing here. And this one it's not as thick. It's a little thick, but not as thick. But yeah, same thing. Fold it like this, and I'm gonna use my bone folder and flatten it out. There we go. That's about as good as I can make it. Now, fold that over, and fold this over, and do the same thing. I'm actually going to fold this side over like this, and I'll use the bone folder like this. Do it on this side. That might help.
Did you out again?
Yeah. Okay, and one more point to go. Oops, I was getting off camera. Sorry about that. I was just using my bone folder and I was flattening everything out. Because the layers, oh my god, they get really thick right here on the Easter egg. Especially on the top here. Because that's where most of the layers are. Yeah, take your time with this. There's no rush. Okay. There we go. That's about as good as I can make it. And can you chill? Okay. So this is actually gonna be the bottom of the Easter egg because there's not really any way around this part. So we're gonna fold this in like this, and that's gonna be the bottom of the Easter egg. So just fold the flap down a little bit like that. There's no reference. Okay, unfold. And now we're gonna sink that corner inside. So we're gonna open this pocket. And this is a little challenging. try and get it open. And it's kind of like a closed sink, actually. Well, it is like an open sink, actually, but yeah, you really have to get your fingers up in there and just kind of open that up. There we go. Expose those creases and pinch them, and then make that little water bottle base like this. And there's the sink. There, that was a tricky little fold. Hope you guys were able to do that. Alright, and now we're just about done. We just need to make the plane. So, this is actually really easy. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to the center crease. And I like to make it so it's really snug against the center crease. Okay. Crease that sharply. I'm gonna use my bone folder. There we go. And same on this side too. So fold the edge to the center. And I like to make sure it's really snug. Okay. Crease it sharply. And I'm gonna use my bone folder. The thing is really nice. I love it. I've been going to Walmart and, like, you know, getting some equipment for my videos because I work at Walmart. So yeah. Okay. And once did that, well, the plane is done, but there's an optional little step that I like to make it look a little bit cooler looking. I'm gonna take this corner and fold it up just a tad. Or actually, I'm gonna fold it up on the corner right there. Or actually, no. What's going on? Okay. Just fold it up to taste. Just about like that. This is optional anyway, it's not really that important. This is just what makes it a little bit cooler looking. And once you did that, there it is, the origami Easter egg plane. So yeah. There it is, the origami Easter egg plane. So to hold it and fly it, you just want to get out of there. To fly it, you just hold it like this very carefully and make sure it doesn't bend. And you just throw it like this straight. And it'll fly pretty good. It'll take a little bit of practice though, but you'll get the hang of it. Alright. And want to see how it flies? Rewind back to the intro. And I showed how to do it in the intro. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this origami plane and enjoyed flying it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.